Hi everybody, Brian from Prairie Gardens and Jeffrey Allen's. How'd your holidays go? Got all your Christmas put away? I haven't, but we won't talk about that. So it's springtime, we're thinking of new beginnings, and what does that mean? Easter. So we're going to introduce you to some of our new collections this year. We have a lot and we're real excited. Our first new collection is called Indigo Meadow, and it's hitting all the trends, what's hot right now, blue, white, stark colors, and you'll see some of the patterned eggs and the bunnies. But I look at this little guy, and once Easter's over, I'm going to set him in my kitchen with my white enamelware, my denim placemats. So it's a year-round bunny. And also, as you look at, we've tied in all of our everyday florals with this. It's a very home decor look. You know, it's not a cutesy, take the kids out, you know, hunting eggs look. It's for the adults, because you know what? We deserve some stuff too, don't we? So that's another look that we're doing is our cottontails, which is kind of candy, little glitter, little luster, with a lot of nostalgia. And you'll see it's a little old-fashioned, little vintage. You know, and here's one cute little idea. Take a bunny and always set them in a little candle ring or a little mini wreath. Yeah, and look at with all the pinks, greens, pastels. This is really what you think of for a traditional Easter. And of course, Farmhouse isn't going anywhere. You know, it pays the bills. It's where we live. But what's nice about this, again, the black and white like we did at Christmas. So instead of adding the red, we're just going to be adding the yellow to it. So there's tulips, forsythia, pussy willows. Then again, all these bunnies, you know, I'm calling these everyday household bunnies. Of course, I know we all have them just walking around our house, don't we? But if you look at it, it's your country, it's your primitive. And this year, you'll see lots of little lambs. And some of these are as sweet as can be, you know, from little fuzzy guys, little shiny guys. Again, you can set that in your kitchen after the season's over. And look at how the yellow just makes everything go boom. You know, just like we're waiting for those bushes to go boom, and they're not ready, are they? And I'm going to say, oh yeah, wait, I'm getting off track. I got all excited about the bunnies. Always think about, this is just everyday herbal foliage looks. You add a little bunny to it, and there you go. It's your garden Easter that could stay out way past the season. And that's kind of leading us back to, it's the year of the gnome. So get ready. These little guys are going to be everywhere, in every color, in every shape, and every size. So here we have this year's Easter gnomes, cute as can be. And look at these little guys with the little shaky legs. You know, you could set that at the corner of your desk, on your dashboard, on a little shelf, on a windowsill. But yeah, you'll see them for now. You're going to see red, white, and blue gnomes. You're going to see fall gnomes. You're going to see Halloween gnomes. And I bet you there's going to be a Christmas theme coming on there too. I don't know. Well, we'll just have to wait and see. So heading back towards this area again, Easter pastels, cute colors, pinks, lavenders, mint greens, and again, more of the vintage nostalgic look. And just by adding a little bit of plants into their little bloomers, kind of remind you of, yeah, like of grandma, or since I'm getting that age, we'll say great grandma. And oh yeah, and you put your tree away. Well, that was a silly idea, because look what you can do. Put some spring bushes, some pussy willow stems, a few of the little ornaments. How wonderful to be in the corner of a room for just that little extra sparkle. And of course, the fan favorite, carrot patch. Because what do those bunnies do? They eat carrots. And they eat a lot of them. So as you look through this theme, this is really garden oriented. You know, once it's over, I can set this outside, you know, with the geraniums or in my hostas. But it's all about oranges, greens, very natural, browns. And, you know know me, there'll be some sticks in there somewhere. So that's kind of some of our ideas that we have. And I tell you, our garden accents are really coming together. You're going to be surprised. So stay tuned. We'll talk about that in the future. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day. Bye-bye.